isho tworeke obumwe bwitu.
Oruterano rukorerwa hakicayi kya district omu town council ya Kanungu nkomuringo gumwe gwokushabira bebembezi omu miringo yona ngu kibahwere kugira obumwe n'okusasirana. Bishop Dan Zoreka niwayebembire okuburira obwari okuhiga abantu okugira obwesugwa n'okurwanisa oburu bw'enguzi obwagumize ngu busimbira amakanda.
We have this cancer in our country called corruption. Ladies and gentlemen, we can keep talking about unity, bearing fruits, but unless we stand together to fight the cancer of corruption in the country, we will not go anywhere.
Twawan twenda kuba united, reka turwane entaro ezentunguka. It's a lot of talking and a lot of war on social media. Kurwana west, manya east, manya I don't know what. Can we fight wars of development?
And all these problems you see, it is very clear. Some few people are eating the cake and many people are watching. Problems will remain here unless we allow them also to come and share on the cake.
Aha habiriho no kuhekitinisa no kusima wabirihe nganzi ihanga amama Mbabazi ngo akakwatanisa kurungi na president okuta district ha Mutindo.
This award is presented to Right Honorable Amama Mbabazi in recognition of your exemplary and inspirational leadership.
Cyatushemeza muno nk'abanyakanungu kugira ngo inkora ya birunje bizimurwa mweno wakozirege bamwijuka ukira kuza kugamba umuntu atakiroho bamujukereza we na mukama we ko bakozire kandi cyo cyatushemeza nk'abanyakanungu.
Omugandi Karoro Foundation kwatira habatari kwebasa nabo kushemererwa kwija kwa mazarwa ga Yesu Kristo. Babahire micheri zabuto shukari nebindi kandi abantu abari kurenga muri 10 otiremo n'abanyamakuru nabo babitungireho.
Kama naye bare abana bato ibintu kama yongereho ahibiha yongereho nashemerwa Merkarora hori president abeho ni woboho ni hangaryo na rebeho.
Abahire y'obuhwezo bu bongere kugamba hanshongeji
24th ya December tuzoguma tukore kintu eki kandi muruhanga yanaguma natwongera ntuguma hebinde
mami akatukuza mbwen naino mutima gwefura kwihatura turi abana bato akatworeka mbwen ngo ine kuyamba mutahi wawe
nkabantu nkaba nuko kubareba some are sick, some are unable to go to the hospital. Hatu tugira ngo if we can start something at least remember tukamuhiye ngo nangwa at least membership yabshinje 12 hato umuntu wita kirwara tukareba how we can contribute kumutwara nko mwirwaro tukomongera cyara abakozi reki ecyara abarho
Ashaka Weza Wilfred na Sheikh Abdulatif.